guys, welcome to my channel. So as the title of this video suggests, today's video is all about Impressions beauty haul. So for all those who don't know what Impression is, it is heaven. Literally guys, Impressions is a beauty and makeup store in Karol Bagh in Delhi, and at the end of this video I'm also going to be sharing with you guys details of the makeup product that I have used today for this makeup look. It's a very simple makeup look. I pulled it off in 10 minutes. After this video, I'm actually going for a makeup assignment to Defense Colony. Like, it's quite a distance from Gurgaon where I stay. So I just got ready quickly and I thought I have half an hour, so I'll quickly record this video for you guys. So at the end of this video, I'll share with you guys the details of this makeup look. If you're interested, then please stay tuned, and now let's get started. So guys, this is the pack which I got from Impressions. As you can see the name. So the first thing that I have in my hand are these shampoo and conditioner set from Schwarzkopf. Now this is like a different packaging or a different variant of Schwarzkopf. I have used the one which was white color cylindrical bottles. Now I saw these bottles and they are also available in a lot of different variety. Like this one is for ultimate repair, like extremely damaged hair. Like I got my hair colored and my hair really got damaged because of that, and this time I thought I'll try this shampoo. So this one is the ultimate repair shampoo for extremely damaged hair, and it has liquid keratin, and keratin is something which really suits my hair, and it is something which you really need for your hair, because when you get your hair chemically treated you lose a lot of keratin, and that is the reason for hair fall and your hair getting very brittle and very dry. So I'm hopeful with this combination that it's going to work good for me. And also guys, there's a small point of apology, because these products have been sitting with me for more than 15 days. I actually went to Karol Bagh before Diwali, and that's when I got all these products. So I might not be able to give you exact prices of all the products, because I have forgot the prices, but wherever I can give the prices, wherever they are marked, I will definitely share with you. So for instance, this particular shampoo was for 250 rupees and the conditioner is for 390 rupees. The next thing that I got from there is this Deo roll. It's from a brand called Lady Speed Stick. When I was in US, I saw this, I used it, and I really liked it, and I was very happy that we get this at Impressions as well. So I think I got two of these, but I can find only one, and it smells nice. It's a very mild but a very refreshing fragrance. Now I don't really remember the price of this one, and it's not even mentioned anywhere. I'm sorry, if I get to find it out, I'll let you know guys. The third thing that I got is this beautiful liquid lipstick from Milani, and this is in the shade Fascination, and I am completely fascinated with purples of lately. If you guys have been watching my videos, you would be knowing that I have these color obsessions every month. So every month there is a new color which I get obsessed with, and now it's purple. So I got this liquid lipstick from Milani, and I am going to swatch this shade for you guys. This is the swatch. I'm sorry for the untidy swatch, but this is how it looks like. It's really pigmented, it is long lasting, it is not very drying on the lips. It's slightly drying, but you can always put a lip balm before applying any liquid lipstick and you are sorted. So this is the shade that I got, and this one I remember I got it for 850 rupees. If you guys have watched my Nykaa Diwali sale haul video, I did get a lip gloss in the same color from LA Girl. So as I said, purple is my current obsession. The next thing that I got are these face wipes from Kara. So this is something which I always keep with myself for my clients in my professional makeup kit, and one for myself, and I just find this so handy. You can just freshen up your face while you are like traveling or you're coming back home, or you can just wipe your makeup off with these makeup wipes. Now these ones are for 145 rupees per packet. It has 25 usable sheets and it retails for 145 rupees. Next up, I got some lip pencils. So this time I actually got 3 lip pencils, and this is one particular brand, Pro Art, which I've already spoken about in one of my previous videos. I absolutely love their lip pencils. They are so creamy, they just glide on your lips. They have amazing longevity, and the colors are so pigmented. The payoff is amazing. You can just use these as a lipstick. You can fill in your lips with these lip liners and you are sorted. Trust me on that guys. So this time I again got 2 more shades. So the shade that I got this time is Tangerine. I already had this shade, but then I used it up and I got it once again. So this is how the swatch of this shade looks like, and as I said, they're very soft, buttery, they just glide. And the other shade that I got is called Grape Flip. It's a very pretty, like a very dark red, almost like a maroon shade, which is so good for the fall and winter season, and I am absolutely loving these lip pencils. Now what I remember of these lip pencils, I think they were for 190 rupees each or 290 rupees, but I think it was for 190 rupees each, so it's a great deal. These are great lip pencils at this price with these amazing colors. They're available in a lot of colors, and the brand is called Pro Art. Then I got another lip pencil, and this time I tried this new brand called Miracle, and I got this beautiful like a mauve shade. Even this is something which impressed me a lot. It's very close to the previous one, but this is towards a mauve tone, and the previous one is like a proper maroon with a brown undertone to it. This is also really smooth, it glides on your lips, longevity is amazing. Everything about these lip pencils is totally amazing. Next product, and I'm really excited to share with you guys about this product, and that is this 3D Brow Secret Brow Set. Now this is such an amazing product. I think it's such a beautiful experiment. Whosoever has done it, it's amazing. Now what is the special thing about this brow product is that first it has this brow pencil. You can use it to define your brows. Once you're done with that, you open the next slot, and then you get to see this applicator, and inside this they have a brown, like a dark brown powder, pressed powder sort of a product inside. So you can just take that product on this applicator, and you can fill in your brows with this. So a pencil, then a brow kind of a powder which is a little bit creamier in its consistency, and then to set everything you have the third slot which has this brow gel with a little spoolie. I mean, I couldn't have asked for more. Oh, sorry. It is such an amazing product. I got two of these, one for my clients and one for myself. These pencils were for I think 475 rupees each. So I found it to be a very reasonable deal because you're getting 3 brow products all in one at the rate of 475. Next product that I got is this liquid eyeliner from a brand called Sugar. This is a very prominent brand. A lot of people talk so much good stuff about this brand. So this was the first time I thought of using its liquid eyeliner. This is how it looks like. It dries matte. The applicator is something which is very nice. It's really sharp and fine. At the same time, it's not flimsy. It's not like a bunch of hair. It's a proper sort of a sponge applicator which with a very fine tip, so it's really good to carve your wings with it. And I really like the finish. As I said, it dries matte, it has a long stay, it's waterproof, and I absolutely love it. I don't remember the price of this one, but I'll see if I have the package. I will let you know the price in the description box. The next thing that I got is a kohl pencil, and this was suggested to me by the owner of the shop. I think it's their own brand if I'm not wrong. It's called Impress. I doubt if it's their own brand because he didn't mention anything of that sort. But yeah, he suggested me to buy this particular brand of kohl pencil, and once again I am impressed. It's very nice, it's very smooth, it has a long stay. The only thing is that I wish it was a little more pigmented, in the sense like it's pigmented, but I would say it should have been more towards jet black. It's not jet black. Like I personally like jet black kohl pencils if I have to use one. This is not jet black, but it's a decently pigmented black pencil. Otherwise, apart from that, it's again a very smooth formula. It is long lasting, it is waterproof, smudge proof, and this pencil, I think it was for, how much was it for? I don't know, I think it was for 250 rupees or 300 rupees, something like that, but yeah, that's that. And last product, which is the best product and I've saved it for the last, is this Urban Decay Moon Dust palette. I was just waiting to get hold of this palette for the longest time, guys, and I finally got it. So this is how the packaging looks like. It is so beautiful. It's a complete glitter, like steel grey glitter packaging, and then when you open it, this is how it looks like. It has these beautiful 8 glittery eyeshadows. Now you do get a lot of glitter palettes in the market, but the problem is that they are baked. So the top layer would be glitter, and once you use up that layer, inside it will not be any glitter, it will just be a plain eyeshadow. But that's not the case with this palette. It's all glitter right from the top till the end of each pan. And I'm going to just swatch a couple of shades for you guys and I will show you. I'm absolutely loving this palette. And this is the wedding season. The festive season just got over, but the New Year's is around the corner, weddings are on. So I think this was such a great product for me to buy, especially for my clients, because they do ask for glitter eyeshadows, and using loose glitters is such a pain in the neck. I think this is a great option. So these are a couple of swatches. This is just one single swatch, and you guys can see the payoff is so good, pigmentation is so good. They are really pigmented, the glitter is looking really fine, it's milled really well, and it's not at all chunky. It's amazing, and I love the colors. This one is pretty much like Midnight Cowboy from their very popular glitter liquid liners, and again this one is a very popular shade. Even they have something similar. I don't really remember the name of the shades, but they are pretty much similar to the liquid glitter eyeliners, which I was looking for the longest time, but it's not available, and if it's available it's very expensive. So this palette actually costed me 4,500 rupees, and in 4,500 rupees I'm getting 8 eyeshadows, which I think it's worth it. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to use it. So guys, this was about my impressions, makeup haul and beauty haul video. And now before saying bye to you guys, I will quickly let you guys know what I'm wearing today. So I'm wearing the LA Girl Pro BB Cream on my face. If you guys have watched my Nykaa Diwali sale haul video, I did buy the LA Girl Pro BB Cream from the Nykaa Diwali sale, and I did share with you guys, and I'm absolutely loving it. It's very nice, it gives you a natural finish. I have not set it with enough of powder because this product is by itself really nice and fine and not very heavy coverage or very heavy on your face. So I just set it with one thin layer of translucent powder, so the impact of the product is almost as it is. Then for my eyeshadow, I used the Sivana palette in number 1, and today I've just done a very simple eye makeup. I used this particular matte vanilla or matte off-white shade. For my eyeliner, I used the L'Oreal liquid eyeliner. For my mascara, I have used my current favorite Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I got this before Diwali, and ever since then I have been using it almost every single time. This is my current favorite mascara. I absolutely love it. The wand of this mascara is very nice. It's like a curve. It has very thin bristles, so it separates your lashes really well. It volumizes your lashes, lengthens and curls them, and I'm absolutely loving it. For my blush, I used the Maybelline V Face Blush Contour in the shade Peach. Again, I got these two products together, so ever since I've got them, some 20-25 days, I have just been using them, hooked onto them like anything. And then for my lips, I have used a combination of PAC lip liner in the shade Strawberry Smoothie with NYX lip cream in the shade Amsterdam. And this is how I achieved this makeup look. I did it in less than 10 minutes flat. As I said, I have to go for an assignment. I barely have any time in hand, so I just did it in like a jiffy. So guys, this was my impressions, beauty and makeup haul video, and a little bit of product information of the products that I've used today on my face. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to show it a big thumbs up, leave your comments, and do subscribe to my channel guys. I love you all. Take care, stay blessed, bye.